In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking number on eBay dropshipping if you're fulfilling an order and need to update the shipment details for your buyer. This is a very important step. Adding the tracking number to eBay helps keep your order status accurate, gives the buyer visibility on delivery progress, and can also help protect your seller performance. The process is simple once you know where to find everything, so let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, go to eBay and click on My eBay. This is where you'll access your account activity and seller tools. If you're already signed in, this should take you directly into the section where you can manage your account more easily. Once you're inside My eBay, click on Selling. This will open the seller area where eBay groups together the tools you need for listings, orders, and fulfillment. If you sell regularly, this is one of the main areas you'll be using, so it's good to get comfortable navigating here. After that, click on Orders. This is the section where all of your recent and active orders are listed. Here, you'll be able to locate the specific item that has already been shipped and now needs tracking information added. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct order, especially if you're handling multiple shipments at once. Matching the correct order with the correct tracking number is essential to avoid confusion for both you and the buyer. Next, select the order and click Add Tracking Number. This is the step where you update the shipment details on eBay. When the tracking window opens, enter the tracking number exactly as provided by the shipping carrier. It's a good idea to double check the number before submitting it, because even a small typo can prevent tracking from updating correctly. If eBay asks for the shipping carrier, choose the correct one so the tracking can sync properly. Once the tracking number is added, the order will be updated in your system, and the buyer should be able to see the shipment progress through their eBay account. This helps reduce buyer messages asking where the package is, and it creates a more professional post-purchase experience. As a final tip, try to upload tracking as soon as the item has actually shipped. The faster you update it, the better your account stays organized, and the smoother the transaction feels for the customer. And that's how to add a tracking number on eBay dropshipping.